Busy parents, stick around because today I'm giving you 5 snack ideas that are nutritious and really easy to make. So, whether it's back to school season or the middle of the summertime, us busy parents, we know exactly how important it is to have quick, healthy snacks that your kids are actually going to eat. So today, I'm sharing 5 of our favorite go-tos. First up is the cheese and crackers bento box. This one is really versatile. You can mix it up any way you choose. Pair some cheese cubes with some whole grain crackers and add some grapes or cherry tomatoes just to balance it out. It's a great way to include protein and carbs, and it's a snack that feels like a mini meal. Next, we have fruit and yogurt parfaits. You can make these as cups, but I love putting them in these little bento boxes that I found on Amazon. I will link them below if you want to check them out. This snack is colorful, customizable, and fun to eat. All you need is yogurt, some fresh fruit, and granola. Layer everything in little cups or put them in these different compartments for an easy grab-and-go snack. For a sweet and healthy option, try some homemade granola bars. All you have to do is mix up some oats and honey, maybe some rice cereal. You can add peanut butter or any other nut butter, and then mix up your add-ins like chia seeds, chocolate chips, dried fruit like raisins and cranberry. Press the mixture firmly into a pan lined with parchment or wax paper so it's easier to remove. Refrigerate it, and then you slice it into bars. These are way better than store-bought, and they are perfect for school lunches or just on-the-go snacks. Next, we have veggie pinwheels. Now, my kids were not excited about these at first, but they were pleasantly surprised by how good they taste. You're going to spread some cream cheese on a whole grain burrito tortilla. I mixed some ranch seasoning in with mine just to add more flavor. Then you're going to layer it with a lot of colorful veggies. Be creative, put whatever you want in there. Today, I chopped up some cucumber. I shredded some carrots, I chopped a red bell pepper, and I shredded some cheese. You can also add things like spinach or lettuce to your wraps. Once everything's on there, you're going to want to tightly roll it up, and then you slice it into bite-sized pieces. The end result is not only something fun and colorful to eat, but it is seriously packed with so many nutrients from the veggies. These are one of my top ways to get my kids to actually eat their vegetables. Last but most definitely not least is apple nachos. These are probably our favorite snack. I always start by making my own peanut butter Greek yogurt dip with some cinnamon and some agave or honey mixed in. Slice some apples really thin. I always keep like Honeycrisp or green apple on hand, so I mix them up. And then I just start the layering process. I'm going to do it on a tray so you can see it clearly, but I lay all of the apples out. And then I just melt some butter till it's pourable. I drizzle it all over the apples. Then you want to go in with whatever toppings you like. We're going to add granola. We got some mini chocolate chips. I even added some caramel today. You do not have to go all out with your apple nachos like I did. This is just how I really like to eat them. And the kids love them. I hope these quick and healthy snacks make snack time easier for you and more enjoyable for your kids. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes, tips, and ideas. And I will see you in the next one.